This is one automation. A single form submission goes in one end, and out the other comes a client proposal, a drafted email, a Slack alert to the team, and a full marketing campaign. Nobody touches it. Let me show you how it's running, then I'll show you exactly how it's built, every module, including the part that breaks if you don't know what you're doing. I'm Danny, I'm 22, I build AI systems and I'm building an agency in public from Bali. This is build one. Here's the problem with these skills. Client onboarding. A lead comes in, someone manually writes the proposal, drafts the follow-up, updates the CRM, loops in the team, adds them to the email list every hour, every week. Works that makes you zero new money. And I know what you're thinking, because everyone thinks it. I'll just do that with ChatGPT. By the end of this video, you'll see exactly why that's not the same thing, not even close. I built this as a template, so let me run a test lead through it. New inquiry, fake company, and real flow. And here's the form. There's a couple of sources that I can choose. Let's say choose LinkedIn DM, my name, and the company name, and a message that determines which branch that AI automation choose. My email and my phone. Let's click submit. First, the lead is logged in Airtable instantly. That's the source of truth. Then the AI reads the lead, scores it, figures out intent, and fans the work out across 4 branches at once. Branch 1 writes personalized proposal, not a template with a name swap, written against this lead's specific pain point. It drafts the outreach email, sitting in drafts, ready for me to review and send. I stay in control of what actually goes out. The team gets pinged in Slack with the lead and the score, so sales knows before I've even looked. And if the lead is just doing research, these automations leads them into the 3rd branch. Let's see how it goes. This list is added to the email platform with a nurture campaign queue. One form, seconds. A proposal, an email, a team alert, a CRM record, and a marketing sequence. All done. Now let me break down to you how it actually works, because that's the part that matters. There's a lot on screen. I'm not going module by module. I'll group it in the way it actually thinks. 4 jobs. So tally is the trigger. The record goes straight to Airtable. Then the first AI pass does the real work. It reads the raw lead and turns messy human text into structured data. Intent, a lead score, a clean summary. Here's the first thing ChatGPT alone can't do for you. I forced this model to respond in pure JSON. No chat, no here's your answer, no markdown. Because the next module has to parse it, and one stray word breaks the whole chain. That's engineering, not prompting. Branch 1 handles me and my team. It generates the proposal doc, drafts the email, fires the Slack alert, and updates the record status. This is the never drop a lead branch. Now move on to the 2nd branch. This branch is the heavy one. 2 separate AI passes, one writes the deliverable, and 2nd one refines and personalizes the outreach of the output of the first. Each one parsed and validated before it moves on. This is what people miss. It's not one prompt, it's a chain where each step checks the last. Branch 3 is marketing. The lead is added, sorted into the right group, and dropped into a campaign sequence. No human writing emails, one at a time. On to the last one. Branch 4 just logs the outcome back to Airtable, so nothing happens in the dark. Every run is auditable. If I had to trick a bit, I'll tell you. The JSON-parsing was where I had to be careful. Get the prompt wrong and the model wraps its answer in formatting. The parser chokes and the branch dies silently. That's the kind of thing that separates a demo that works once from a system you can actually trust. So, why not just use ChatGPT? ChatGPT writes you one email when you ask. This writes the proposal, the email, the team alert, the CRM update, and the campaign. Triggered by a lead you haven't even seen yet. Wired into 5 tools your business already runs on. Every single time, the same way. One is a tool that you operate, the other is a system that operates for you. That gap, the integration, the reliability, the wiring, is the entire thing businesses pay a builder for. This is the kind of system I built for businesses surrounding manual client work. If that's you, the link's in the description. And if you just want to watch me build the agency from zero, every system, every win, everything that breaks, this is build one. There's a lot coming. Subscribe and watch it happen.